people. So this is my fourth video of the day, and I have to say this, people, that even as I'm recording all this, it's occurring to me that I shouldn't people would tune into my channel for apparently my energy. It's true, right? In the end, I mean, the actual knowledge information, you can do a Google search and get it, but that feeling of like this, you'd rather hear it from some certain people. I personally love Neeti Taylor. I mean, any of her video, like any of her interviews, I like to watch it. And there are so many TV actresses, but Neeti Taylor has a certain energy and charm to her that I always like to tune into, because I feel somewhere I'll also imbibe that kind of so Miss Neeti Taylor ma'am, though she's much younger to me, in case you're watching this, it's like, I think, amazing job she does. Anyway, people, so this is um yeah, I was about to do a book review, but I think I'll do it in my next video. But Neeti Taylor ma'am, see, I can't help fixing a ma'am because it's just out of respect. Yeah, some people, they just evoke that level of respect. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.